Coach Bo has cultivated in Diliman in your time?
Well, for me, I think it's the whole community itself. Hindi naman namin tayo na kami lang. It's gonna be like, we would like prepare for every game, or even for each year, prepare kami. But then the support of everybody, for me, we're just part of the whole thing na sa UP. So, on my part, of course, being a coach, I'm proud kami na, being able to be a member natin. And blessed din ako, very thankful na to have, kasama ko Steve every time na we need to work hard and go through lahat ng challenges without, giving up to yung mga games na tough sa atin. And for sure, lahat ng mga director, isip namin would be trying to get better.
Jay, para sa'yo, gano'ng special moment na sa'yo na kayo napasok kayo sa Final Forgiven na marami na kayo mag-graduate sa programa kayo na nag-i-graduate na kayo. So, gano'ng special na sa final year nyo, one step towards your ultimate goal of winning the championship?
Maraming bagay, dahil sa ating nag-graduate last year namin. Goal talaga namin is mapasok sa Final Four at makuha yung championship. Pero yun, sabi na namin kanina na pwede kami kampante and marami pa kami kailangan. And papasok ng Final Four and last 2 games namin, ilang namin na magiging mahirap yun. Magiging good. So, harapin na namin ng maayos at mag-response na kami sa mga challenges na ibigay sa amin every day. Ayan, huwag na kami makampante and continue na kami sa pag-race.
Aidan, para sa'yo naman, gano'ng ka-eager continue itong ganitong performance mo para kumbaga masuportahan palalo yung ginagawa ni Harold, dito ni Jerry, and para nga dun sa goal nyo ng mga graduating players na mag-champion on your final year with you?
Siguro sobrang eager kasi last year na namin, gusto namin yung Final Four, talaga tsaka yung championship. So, final year namin wala nang balikan, wala nang bawian. So, keep na lang siguro namin lahat ng best.
Coach, gano'n ka crucial po na to have na different players every time yung nagde-deliver? Last time, sila Harold, ngayon Jerry, Francis, and Rayland sa endgame, na lalo na papatapos na yung eliminations.
Sa akin, pinakali namin yung ganun na, having teammates to step up and knowing na, may challenge sa loob, somebody's got your back na, coming from the bench. Hindi naman siyempre araw-araw mapapol sa atin. Importante lang, as a team, bawat isa sa amin, harapin natin lang. And ang maganda rito, there's one thing